What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, you can smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through Whogohost platform, which is one of the best hosting website or hosting company in Nigeria. So we're gonna walk you through the step-by-step process on how to go about it, how to purchase a domain on this website, and how to buy or purchase an hosting, how much does it cost to purchase an hosting on this website, and what exactly is the cost to purchase a domain or hosting on this website, and how to go about it. And trust me, if you are trying some other hosting in Nigeria and you find it so difficult, by checking out due to the fact that the rate where you can actually purchase dollars in Nigeria today is very thick, and trust me, you trying to use Nigerian hosting should be the best option for you. And the most enjoyable part of it is the fact that you can actually check out with your own Naira card and you won't have any issue with that. Even if you have an OP ATM card, you can also use it to check out on any of these hosting, Nigerian hosting uh website, most especially Whogohost, because I know people that actually use this hosting and it's worked perfectly for them. And that prompts me to make a full videos about this hosting website. And if you haven't signed up on Whogohost, you can use the link in the description of this video to sign up on Whogohost, and from there you can actually purchase your hosting and your domain on this website. So before, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into what this website is literally all about and how to go about it. So Google's is one of the best websites, like I said earlier on, and you can host your blog and WordPress website on this. And funniest part that they are actually running 25% off for new users who is actually interested in using Google. So using the link in the description of this video will definitely help you to get this 20% off on any purchase you made on Google platform. So scrolling down, you're gonna see different packages. Of course, they have cPanel hosting, WordPress hosting, email hosting, and Mozu hosting. Basically, I really don't know what this Mozu is actually about, but trust me, these other options are what I'm aware about. And you know, we also have our blog, which is Two Guys Finance, so you can also check it out to see more of our latest content on this website. So you also see other support and business individual, which of course they work with. But trust me, I'm gonna walk you through the inside and how to pay on Google, so you have nothing to worry about. So this is just the basic uh concept and stuff they have on their website homepage. So for you to navigate from one section to another, so you can see hosting on this top section. So you see different options here. And if you are trying to host a WordPress website, you see how to host your WordPress website from here. And if you want to purchase a domain, because I also notice that people are very much interested in how to purchase a domain on this website or how to register their domain. So I'm going to walk you through that. So let's say, for example, you want to register a domain for the first time. So you got all you need to do is just click on the domain, then click on register your domain here. So for you to be able to register, you have to search for the domain name, which of course you want to register on Google Earth. Let's say, for example, you want to your domain name is two guys blog. Maybe it is just your domain, but you don't know which extension you want to go for. Probably .com.ng or .ng or .com only. I only prefer .com domain because I find it so easy to rank as fast as possible. But maybe that's just me. Some other people also find some other domain extension easier to register, so or to rank or to create content about around. But I feel like with .com, I can actually rank anywhere because I don't want to limit my blog to one certain uh country. I have like 5 to 6 different blogs, and all of them are in .com domain. So I would recommend you to go for .com. I know for a fact that it's quite cost because .com domain is like 16,000 naira, I guess. Yeah, correct. So 16,000 naira, and some other hosting is even charging more than this. But don't know that you have to be paying 16,000 naira and there is no extra charges. And if you still want to renew it, you're gonna just pay 16, same 16,000 naira. But if you wanna pay get .net, you can see 16,000 naira. And if you wanna do some renewal, you have to pay 12,000 naira. And for .com.ng, I think this is quite cheapest domain extension, which of course you can get. But then some people think it's actually limited to certain country, which is Nigeria, because it's kind of like .com.ng, so it's kind of like limited, true. But then I don't wanna just jump into this because I also have some a blog that I purchased back then, which old .com.ng, but I lost traffic to from certain content because I used to create content around everywhere. So I want to rank everywhere. So I won't prefer you getting .com.ng, but if you are just starting out your blog and you don't wanna invest too much on it, so I think uh for a start, you can actually go for the .com.ng for a start. Then as time goes on, you can just decide to upgrade the domain from .com.ng to .com or to .net or to .ng, anyone you actually prefer on the long run. You can also see .net.ng as well, which also costs 1,300 naira, and .edu.ng costs 5,000 naira. So these are the domains that I believe that it's actually working perfectly. And if you navigate to Nigerian, so you're gonna see top domain that people are purchasing in Nigeria. So you can see .com.ng, .net.ng, .edu.ng, .org.ng, .name.ng, school.ng, and other .ng. You can see this .ng is quite cost, and if you pay 6,000 naira now, for 2 years you're gonna pay 12,000 naira, and for 3 years you're gonna pay 18,000 naira. I think .ng is quite also cheap. So you can also start with that. Is a good domain name extension, true. So you can just go with that if you are very much interested in getting that kind of domain. But then if you are just starting out and you just want to choose your domain, you can see I search for two guys blog. So let's try to click on register domain and see if it's actually available or not. So scroll down, you're gonna see please supply a valid domain name to proceed. So let's say I think I have to put attention at the front of it. So let's say blog, twoguysblog.com. So let's try that and see. Register domain. Okay, you can see twoguysblog.com. So they say the domain is available, which costs 16,000 naira. And if you scroll down, you also see another which of course related to your blog name. So let's say you want to go for twoguysblog.tech, then icon two guys blog dot tech, two guys blog dot com dot ng. You can see this one is also amazing. So if I just want to start blogging, I can just decide to go with two guys blog dot com dot ng. That's quite amazing. And you can see the current currency is naira. So I'm gonna be paying 7,000 naira for this. And you can also switch from Kenya, USD, then Ghana cedis. I think these are the other currencies that are available on Whogohost. So if you are very much interested in just if you are in another country and you wanna just know the price that it costs, so you can if you navigate to this, it's gonna change. See, it has changed this name. So if I want to navigate back to let's say Kenya, so let's try to see the price. You can see the price have changed. I don't know what currency is it. I don't know how to pronounce it. So if you navigate to USD, you're gonna cost for that as well. So you can see $22 for USD, and for you can see for .ng you're gonna pay $52.58. But then we are dealing with Nigeria, so because that's the language I actually understand. You can see the price. So I think this is quite amazing. And if you're just starting out, like I said, my best advice for you is just go for the .com.ng. That's quite enough to start. And after 1 year or 2 years, you can decide to upgrade or to change the domain. And if you don't want to go with that website again, you can also host another website inside your hosting, and it's gonna work perfectly. So for you to know the pricing for the WordPress hosting, so you can just click on this product and you can navigate to WordPress hosting, or you can also see on this left side category. So you're gonna navigate to which section you are actually going to. So for the WordPress hosting, you can click on that, and the different packages, of course, they have on their website. So this is the standard package which costs 4,500 on a monthly basis. You have two core CPU, 2 gig RAM, and 256 SSD storage for you to upload content, image, video, or any kind of content you want to upload on your blog. And you have 50 gig bandwidth. You can host three websites inside this hosting. And for you to host three websites, I think you have been a pro in you do, in what you do. So for the WordPress Standard Plus, you can see hosting five websites gonna cost you um 6,000 naira per month. I think this kind of like price depend on what exactly the kind of website you actually want to host. So you can also see what's included in each of these package, free SSL, SSD, then faster website, one website, and cPanel, you're gonna see free hosting transfer. So these are the things you will definitely benefit if you go with any of these package. So they also have another plan, which of course, you can see business email, enterprises email. So in case you just want to set up a custom email for your business and with your domain, you can also do that. Once you purchase a domain from Whogohost, you can also register for business email, and then you're going to be getting some emails based on your business. So you can register for the domain here, and you can also transfer domain to from another hosting website to Whogohost. So if you want to transfer domain to Whogohost, all you just need to do is just click on here, and it's gonna give you some prompts on what to do and how to transfer the website to them. So they also have some other features which of course you might also be interested in, just like the SEO tools, website backup, website security, email service, and other stuff. And if you check on the left side category here, there are some other features which of course you can be of interest in. So you can see website design. I really don't know what they mean by this, but I feel like they also people. So I guess right. So for a corporate website, they're gonna charge you 100,000 naira for 3 months free hosting website, then 1 year free domain.com.ng or .org.ng. Then three templates to select from: social media integration, content management system, mobile responsiveness, then maximum of 7 pages and full features users guide, then content and host migration, newsletter integration. And for 150,000 naira, you can get an e-commerce website, which of course you can get free 3 month hosting. Then after that 3 months, you have to upgrade the hosting. Then you can see all the benefits which of course you're gonna get from it. So if you are very much interested in going on with this, you can just click on order now, and then you can talk to one of the support, and then they're gonna get you your website design just the way you want it. And if you are not satisfied, they're gonna work on the revision for you to make sure you are okay with the final design. So they have team that are an expert, which of course it can actually help you in setting up a professional website. And another other feature, which of course I also find out, is the social media management. So if you're interested in hiring SMM, so you can also reach out to them by selecting the best plan for your business. So let's say social media attention seeker, which costs 35,000 naira per month, content posted twice a week to any two of Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Then you can see email and chat support, no weekly email newsletter, no feature on Weibo or social media. Then you can see uh, for the community builder, you can see twice a week. Then you can see what you're gonna be getting, and for the thought leader, you're gonna be paying 95,000 naira per month. So all these are what, of course, you'll be benefiting from Google Host and how it works. So if you're very much interested in getting one of these stuff or products, which of course they render, you can just decide to go with the website using the link in the description, so you can purchase the domain, set up your website hosting, and then you can proceed on with the website. So it all depends on what you need. And if you have any question, you can definitely reach out to them by clicking on the chat box here, and you can just chat or new conversation. And they are available, I think, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening, and they are not really available on the weekend. So you have to make sure you chat them on a working or business day. So just click on new conversation, then you're gonna link up with one of their customer support center, and they're gonna help you out on any kind of issue you're actually facing on the website. And if you have a checking out issue, they can also help you. And another feature before I round up this video is how to pay on Whogohost. You can also see on their website uh how to pay. So they also provide that. So I'm going to click on that so you can see the payment method, which of course is support. You can see the support Paystack, Flutter with Paper, and Clump. So I guess this Clump is basically for other countries, Kenya, Ghana, and maybe South Africa or there. But then PayPal is also supported by other countries. Then I think Paystack and Flutterwave is basically for uh, people in Nigeria. I think this is Kenya because Kenya, I think they spend M-Pesa or something like that. I think this is the best uh, uh, payment checkout, which of course you can actually enjoy, and there is no issue about any of these payment. I've used Paystack before, I've used Flutter before, and they all work perfectly, and also as well as PayPal. I haven't heard about Cloud before. This is my first time seeing that payment option. So I guess they serve some other countries like that. So if you are very much interested in getting or hosting your website, I think Whogohost should be the best option for you. There are some other hosting, of course, which of course you're gonna be creating content around. So, but stick around to this channel while you subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, which of course we upload. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.